Hey guys, what's going on? It's Hot Diecast Garage, and today we're going to open up Walmart's latest 8-car set of Hot Wheels Star Wars cars. The first Hot Wheels car in this set is the model Fish and Chip featuring Qui-Gon Jinn and Obi-Wan Kenobi. Next we have Asphalt Assault with Darth Sidious and Darth Maul. Number 3 is the vehicle Misty Suzuka featuring Obi-Wan Kenobi and Anakin Skywalker. The fourth car is Audacious with Anakin Skywalker and Ahsoka Tano. Up next we have the Hot Wheels car Torque Twister featuring Kanan Jarrus and Ezra Bridger. Number 6 is the Boulevard Bruiser with Yoda and Luke Skywalker. Here we have the car Muscle Tone with Emperor Palpatine and Darth Vader. The final Hot Wheels is Night Shifter featuring Supreme Leader Snoke and Kylo Ren. So there we have all 8 Star Wars Hot Wheels from the latest Walmart series. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.